Ever struggled to find a unique enemy that actually looks like it belongs in your fantasy world? Meet the Rift Stone Crab, a stylized rock monster that is ready to stomp through your scenes. It comes with multiple triangle count versions, from a lean 16,000 for mobile to a whopping 253,000 for close-up boss shots. You can scale performance without swapping models. Pipelines are handled for you. There are separate prefabs for built-in URP and HDRP, plus ready-to-use demo scenes so you can drop it in and see it animate in minutes. It is fresh on the store, so be one of the first to grab this gem while the price is half off. Textures are 2K, which is fine for most, but if you need 4K close-ups, you will have to upscale yourself. At $8, that works out to about 5 cents per triangle version, a steal for a complete animated creature. Link in the description. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history, deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store, all updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Nothing kills momentum like waiting for a server that is down. The API Mocking Toolkit lets you keep building online features even when your backend is missing or slow. You manage all your HTTP endpoints from one editor window, define collections for auth, storefront, anything, and toggle between real and mock responses without touching gameplay code. It even exports to OpenAPI 3.0, so you can share your mock definitions with your team and keep everyone in sync. No reviews yet, but for a tool this practical, it is bound to become a team favorite quickly. This is a code-focused asset, so if you're not comfortable with REST APIs, there is a learning curve, but the documentation is clear. For $10, you skip hours of back-end dependency headaches. That is time-saved ROI you will feel instantly. Grab it from the link. Tired of ugly seams when your textures do not line up? MK Nodes gives you triplanar and directional mapping right inside Shader Graph. No coding needed. Project textures in local or world space, so cliffs keep their detail as objects move, and surfaces blend beautifully from any angle. It supports normal maps too, and includes a fast approximating version that uses only one texture sample for performance-critical spots. A new release with high potential. Early adopters are already singing its praises. The nodes are only for Shader Graph, so if you are using the built-in render pipeline, you will need to convert, but in URP they drop right in. Under $10 for a node pack that would normally cost you an afternoon of wrenching code. That is a no-brainer. Link in the show notes. You know that moment when a player interacts with a panel and you want to show both the keypad and the door opening? This system handles that with style. It smoothly transitions into multiple camera views, side by side, top, bottom, or custom layouts, so you can create those cinematic moments without camera scripting. Works with any interaction object, vault terminals, puzzles, security systems. Just add the component and set your cameras. Early feedback highlights how easy it is to set up compared to building split screen from scratch. The demonstration scenes use built-in pipeline, but converting materials to URP is straightforward. At $10.50, it is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Link below. Want to blow up a wall or slice a crate in real time? Shatter-o-matic gives you both runtime slicing and pre-baked destruction. Slice meshes with custom planes from collisions, mouse gestures, or any logic, perfect for sword gameplay or physics puzzles. You can bake the fragments as static prefabs for less performance overhead, or let it calculate on the fly for interactive chaos. Users love the full C# source included, so you can tweak the destruction exactly how you want. The demo scenes are built-in pipeline, so you will need to convert materials to URP manually, but the tool itself works fine. For $14, if one client project uses this, you have paid it off 100 times over. Business ROI at its best. Link in the description. Ever spent hours setting up tooltips for every interactive object? HoverLens Pro does it with one component. Just add HoverLens Target and you are done. Supports UI, 2D colliders, and 3D colliders with multiple modes: cursor follow, target anchored, fixed, or world space. Great for inventory hints or FPS crosshair interactions. It uses Text Mesh Pro with rich text and sprite support, plus a scriptable object theme system, so you can style all tooltips consistently. The system is polished. Early adopters praise the smooth animations and easy setup. If you need complex conditional tooltips, you might need to extend the system, but the source is included so you can. At $14, that is about the cost of a takeout meal, and it will save you many evenings of tweaking tooltips. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Link below. Need to fill an abandoned room fast? This bundle gives you 12 highly detailed vintage props, from furniture to clutter, all PBR and UV mapped. Each asset is cleaned of unnecessary maps, no height or specular, so they render cleanly and perform well. Perfect for horror or post-APOC settings. Textures are 2K PNG with albedo, normal, and AO, so you get good quality without blowing memory budgets. A solid 5-star rating from the community. These props are game ready and look great. No URP-specific materials. You will need to convert from built-in, but Unity's material converter does it in one click. For $10.50, that works out to under $1 per prop. Cost per unit, that is hard to beat. Link in the show notes. Forests can be a performance nightmare. This bundle gives you 75 super optimized trees with a translucency shader that looks gorgeous on mobile and desktop alike. Each tree is around 200 to 300 triangles. That is incredibly low and uses just one leaf and one trunk material per pack, so draw calls stay minimal. The translucency shader for ShaderGraph adds that backlit glow that makes trees feel alive, and it works with URP out of the box. TreeMaker has a solid reputation. These packs are a go-to for mobile-friendly forests. The trees are designed for mobile, so if you need high-poly photorealistic trees, these might be too low, but for art-style games, they are perfect. $7.50 for 75 trees, that is 10 cents per tree. Absurd anchoring at its finest. Grab them from the link. If you are building a multiplayer game with Lockstep, you know the pain of non-deterministic random. OSLDeterministic gives you a pure C# PRNG that is identical across all platforms. It allocates zero memory on hot paths. Dice rolls, shuffling, gotcha draws happen without GC pressure. Perfect for performance-critical netcode. Uses integer comparisons to avoid floating point drift, so your replay systems stay perfectly in sync. A niche but essential tool. Developers who have tried it swear by its reliability. It only provides deterministic random. Other math operations still need care. But for random, it is solid. $8 for a deterministic core that could save you hours of debugging desyncs. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. Link below. Give your urban scene a touch of class with the Clay Art Gallery, a modular building set inspired by tropical Art Deco architecture. It includes 17 prefabs, walls, windows, roof, signs, so you can assemble a unique gallery or use pieces in other buildings. Textures are 2K PBR with AO, and the style blends vintage charm with clean geometry that works in any city set. Artists appreciate the cohesive style. It is a standout asset for themed environment builds. It is one specific architectural style, so it may not fit all projects, but for its niche, it is excellent. At $12, it is less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Absurd anchoring, but it is true. Add it to your cart via the link. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.